Hello everyone, in this video I'll be going over how to navigate to and complete the DSPS AIM application. First, you're going to head over to the Fresno City College website. You'll see there at the top the URL is fresnocitycollege.edu. Once on the Fresno City College website, you're going to see an Admissions and Aid tab at the top. You'll hover over that and it'll drop down a menu and you're going to look for Disabled Students Program and Services and select that. This will take you to the DSPS homepage where you can find a lot of useful information such as our office hours as well as our phone number that you can call if you ever have any questions. However, for the purpose of this video, we're only going to be interested in a link on the right side of the page titled Transition to College located here. You're going to select that and that will take you to the Transition to College homepage, and you'll see here under high school seniors you'll see a red link titled Apply to DSPS Now. You'll go ahead and want to select that. After selecting that, it'll take you to a sign-in page where you'll put in your login credentials that you should have received when you registered for college. I will also link another video down below where I go more in depth in the login process if you're having trouble. After you've put in your login credentials, you're just going to hit sign in. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to the DSPS application page. For this application, you're only required to fill out the boxes with a red star by them. However, there are some exceptions that we do recommend you fill out, although they are not required. And for the purposes of this video, I'll be filling out the application as if I was a student, just so you have an idea of what it may look like. So starting off with the start term, you just want to select the following fall semester. And for primary campus, you're going to select the campus that you most likely will be attending. First and last name is pretty self-explanatory. Middle name and preferred name are both optional, so you don't have to fill it out if you don't want to. And onto the student ID number, this one is very important. You want to make sure that you're using your college ID number in here. So this is the one that you should have used when you logged in and the one that you received in an email when you first registered for college. You do want to make sure that you're not using your high school ID number in this box. For your birth date, you just want to make sure that you format it like they did in the example below. Gender and pronouns is optional. Onto the contact information. And although primary phone number is not required, we do recommend that you include a phone number just so it's easier for counselors and office staff to contact you if you need it. Email address, you just want to make sure that you're using an email address that you have easy access to. So this could be a personal email address or your college email. And it's important that you don't use your high school email here since you won't have access to it once you graduate. Onto the address information, it's pretty standard. Your street, city, state, and zip code. Permanent address, you don't really have to worry about this section. And onto the additional information. For the seeking degree, you don't have to worry about that. And in this box with affiliations, if you are part of dual enrollment, you'll want to select that. However, if you're part of transition to college, you'll select that. For campus locations, this is just like the question in the beginning. You're just going to select the campus that you're most likely going to be attending. And on to the final question. This is regarding registering to vote. If you're over 18 and already registered to vote, you'll select the top circle. However, if you're under 18 or you're not interested in voting, you'll select the last circle. However, if you're over 18 and not registered to vote, you can select the middle circle, but for the purposes of this video, we'll just be going with no. And lastly, all you have to do is type in your full name and hit submit application. After pressing submit application, you should be brought to this page saying that you have successfully submitted your application. However, if you did get any errors, it should tell you what boxes need correcting. And you'll see below here, this is where you upload your verification if you have it with you. So this is either a 504 or IEP. However, if you don't have that with you, you can stop here and reach out to our office for additional support later on. And that'll be it for this video. I hope it was helpful. And like I mentioned earlier, if you have any questions or need additional support, you can contact our office at 559-442-8237. Have a good day.